removing a processor and heatsink. Note, the SR860 V3 is shown in this video, but the replacement procedures for the SR860 V4 are identical. Note, the replacement procedures for the 3U standard and 2U performance heat sinks are identical. To replace a front PHM processor 3 or processor 4, remove the front top cover and the front air baffle. To replace a rear PHM processor 1 or 2, remove the front top cover, the rear top cover, the crossbar, the PCIe risers, and the rear air baffle. Unfasten the Torx T30 nuts on the PHM following the removal sequence shown on the heatsink label. Push the anti-tilt wire bales inward. Carefully lift the PHM from the processor socket. Separate the processor from the heatsink and carrier. Lift the handle to release the processor from the carrier. Hold the edges of the processor and then lift the processor from the heatsink and carrier. Separate the processor carrier from the heatsink. Release the retaining clips from the heatsink. Lift the carrier from the heatsink. Wipe the thermal grease from the bottom of the heatsink with an alcohol cleaning pad.